Canva, create beautiful designs with AI-powered tools. Unsplash, a platform for photographers to share their work and earn money through licensing. Hugging Face, a platform for developing and sharing AI models. TensorFlow, a popular open-source machine learning framework. PyTorch, another popular open-source machine learning framework. BigGN, a state-of-the-art image generator. OpenAI GPT-3, a powerful language model for generating text. IBM Watson, a suite of AI tools for businesses. Google Cloud AI, a suite of AI tools for businesses. Microsoft Azure AI, a suite of AI tools for businesses. SageMaker, Amazon's machine learning platform. Einstein, Salesforce's AI-powered CRM. Rekognition, Amazon's image recognition service. Face++, a facial recognition platform. Clarify, an AI-powered visual recognition platform. Wit.ai, a natural language processing platform. Dialogflow, Google's natural language processing platform. Amazon Lex, Amazon's natural language processing platform. Raza, an open-source natural language processing platform. Botstar, a chatbot creation platform. Tars, another chatbot creation platform. Landbot, a no-code chatbot builder. MiniChat, a popular chatbot creation platform for Facebook Messenger. ChatterOn, a chatbot creation platform with AI-powered tools. BotPress, an open-source chatbot creation platform. DialogTech, a platform for analyzing phone call data using AI. DataRobot, a platform for building and deploying machine learning models. RapidMiner, a data science platform with AI-powered tools. Alteryx, a platform for data preparation and analysis. Databricks, a cloud-based platform for building and deploying AI models. AutoML, an AI tool for automating the process of building machine learning models. Algorithmia, a marketplace for AI algorithms. Dateku, a platform for building and deploying AI models. Google Analytics, a platform for tracking website traffic and user behavior. Mixpanel, another platform for tracking website traffic and user behavior. Appen, a platform for data annotation and labeling. Hive, a platform for data warehousing and analytics. Looker, a business intelligence platform with AI-powered tools. cSense, another business intelligence platform with AI-powered tools. Tamr, a platform for data unification. Trifacta, a platform for data cleaning and preparation. Able, an AI platform for automating business decisions. Freenome, an AI-powered platform for early cancer detection. Grail, another platform for early cancer detection using AI. Incitro, an AI-powered drug discovery platform. Recursion Pharmaceuticals, a platform for discovering new drugs using AI.